Okay, welcome back to the last video of section 7.4, integration of rational function using partial fraction. As you can see here, we have a very case that we didn't discuss before. The degree of the numerator is a 3, the degree of the denominator is a 3, so here we need to enforce step number 0. And step number 0 says, in this case, we need to do or perform a long division. Now let me remind you of what is the long division, and we only use it if the power here is greater than here. That's where we use the long division. Let's do the long division first, and let's see then how we can proceed with step number 2. For the long division, there are many ways, and the one that we will use here is this one. I'm sure it reminds you of your school days, and I want you to write for me here the numerator, and here you write for me the denominator. So go ahead and write the numerator, minus 8. And here you write x cubed plus 2x squared plus x up here. That's good. Next step, step number 2, what you need to do is take this one, the highest power, divided by the highest power. So I will take this, I will divide it by this. So I will get 3x cubed divided by x cubed. That's what we will do. Can you tell me how much is the answer? It's just 3. So you will write for me 3 here. And that's what we will get. So I get 3. The next step is what we need to do. You need to multiply 3 by everything here. So you will get 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus 3x. And the next step, you need to change the sign here. If it's positive, make it negative. If it's negative, make it positive. So it will be, if we change the sign, it will be, let me just choose a different color. This will be negative, this negative, this will be negative. Now just add them together. 3x cubed with 3x cubed will get cancelled. So what we get is negative 6x squared, negative 3x, negative 8. Now, the next step, we do again the same thing. Take this one, the highest power divided by the highest power. So you will get negative 6x squared divided by x cubed. Can we do this? Yes or no? The answer is no, so we have to stop. Now, if we stop, this has a special name. We call it the remainder. And this has a special name. We call it the quotient. So we get two things. We get quotient, we get remainder. And you can see that the next step we will do is the following. We need to write the function. The original function was 3x cubed minus 8 divided by x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. This was the question. Now, what I get from the long division is the following. First step, you need to write the quotient here and the remainder here. So go ahead and write them. Quotient is a 3. The remainder is negative x squared, negative 3x, negative 8. The next step, you have to add them. As an extra, you divide this one by the denominator. So it is kind of remainder over denominator. That's x. So finally the answer will be 3 plus negative 6x squared, negative 3x, negative 8, x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. And now you can see that the degree here is 2, The degree here is a 3, so we can go back to what we did before and solve the question. So that should be fairly easy to continue it by yourself. That's the idea of how we do long division. There are many exercises. You will find them in the online homework. You find them everywhere using this idea, but I would say this is a good one. Let me do another long division, part D, and that will be the last one, is this one. It is x4 plus 9x squared plus x plus 2 over x squared plus 9. Okay, again, because the power here in the top is 4, the power here is 2, so we need to do the long division. X squared plus 9, and here x4, 9x squared, x plus 2. Now take the highest power divided by the highest power. So you divide x4 over x2, you will just get x2. Write it down here. So this x2. Now you multiply x2 by x squared, x2 by 9. So you get x4 plus 9x squared. The next step, change the sign. If it's positive, make it negative. Now add them. Just add top and bottom. What you will find, x4 will get cancelled, x squared will get cancelled, so we get just x plus 2. And now, if you take the highest power x over x squared, we cannot. And if we cannot, we have to stop and we have just to write the final answer. X squared plus 9, x4, 9x squared, x plus 2. And the answer will be, you write the quotient, which is x squared plus x squared plus 9. And here you write the remainder. Remember, this is the remainder. Thank you so much for watching section 7.4. If you have any question, please let us know.